Hi guys, this is Katja with Creators Image Studio. I thought I'd be posting some shorter videos, and this is one of them. They are all backlogged projects. This one is one I created with Graphic 45's Couture collection, a beautiful vintage collection with very Art Deco-like fashion designs. Very lovely. And of course, double-sided. And I decided to create a birthday booklet with room for several people to write down their congratulations. It has a magnetized closure, and I decorated that with a chipboard piece. And then it has several pages, and you can see on the right-hand side there, the right panel is room to write a message. And this goes for almost every page except the one in the middle there with the decorative elements. Because, of course, I counted the number of people and made sure each and every one of them had room to write. So I think there was about 6 or 7 of us for this booklet. And, of course, I decorated the front and the back as well with a beautiful brad. Did the back of the book as well, and also the inside gusset. There is one gusset and I matted that as well with a very tiny piece of design paper. It's all in the details, guys. So I hope you liked this design. If you want me to do a tutorial, let me know in the comments. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.